What's up guys, Adore from Funimate speaking, and for today's Funimate tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys a simple flash transition. You're not going to be needing any apps except for Funimate, and we're going to go into the editing screen. I've already uploaded the two pictures I'm going to be using. I've chosen Priscilla Hazel and I put them onto clips, but you can add them like you would normally do with image if you're going to do customs. But you're going to go to shapes. I'm going to choose the square and I'm going to do a white flash, so I'm going to choose this. And if you use the color white for this to add some extra pizzazz, you can put add on this, which will give it a better flash effect. And there's two different flashes you can do here. So you can do a simple fade one. So you're going to mark where it is going to change and then put the other opposite markers at 0. And it's going to go like this. Or you can do a more complicated but better looking flash, which is a series that eventually fades out. So you're going to start where you want the flash to start. I want to start right here, and you're going to start at 0. Then you're going to go to 100, and right next to it you're going to go to like 50, around that area. For a small space you're going to go down. Then you're going to go right back up to 100 and repeat the process. So then next we're going to do 50, fade down, then 100, 50 again. And you see it's going to change right there. So we're going to fade it out to maybe right here. So 0, then it's going to go to 100, then 50, and then completely fade out. Or you can add an extra one and it'll look like this. Those are the two flash transitions you can do using the Funimate app. This doesn't require Pro and it is 100% free. If this tutorial helped you and if you would like to see more, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you for watching.